Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this REALME. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. It should be in Google folder. When you find it, access it. Then select Clean at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Now click on Clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my smartphone was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!